What is synthesis? It's a great question. Well, Oxford Dictionary defines it as the combination of ideas to form a theory or system. Also, the production of chemical compounds by reaction from simpler materials, or, if you look at Hegelian philosophy, it's the final stage in the process of dialectical reasoning, in which a new idea resolves the conflict that usually exists between thesis and antithesis or antithesis. But which one of these definitions of synthesis fits for our uses? Well, we're not in a chemistry class, so we know number 2 is not correct. Also, although the last definition means coming up with an answer based on seemingly contradictory concepts, the thesis and antithesis, this isn't necessarily true in every piece of art, though it can be. But since it doesn't necessarily fit our definitions, we're not going to be using it. So, now it's gone. That only leaves the first definition, which is the combination of ideas to form a theory or system. Now, I know we're looking at the literary arts, but let's see if we can use the visual arts for an example. Here we've got a piece of art, a famous piece of art by the pop artist Andy Warhol. It depicts the actress Marilyn Monroe, and as you can see, it's got many different variations from frame to frame. See, what Mr. Warhol wanted to do is show something stronger than traditional art with very slight variations from frame to frame. And that's what you can see, which gives it the assembly line effect. So, what if I asked you to identify this picture? Could you tell me who painted it? You could probably guess that it was also done by Andy Warhol. Why is that? The answer? Synthesis. You've already synthesized information about the painter without even knowing it. See, our brains are hardwired with survival instinct, so it behooves us to recognize patterns with speed and accuracy that is astonishing. Your brain developed some sort of system, some sort of theory for what Andy Warhol's paintings should look like. Bright colors, stacks of images, famous icons. Got a guess as to who painted this? Yeah. If you said Andy Warhol, you've done synthesis correctly. Your brain just passed the test. Now, let's get to our assignment. Synthesizing the concepts of a good literary cover letter. Let's get going.